Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Oh look what we got on the desk. A Lingdu Dashcam 4K. But don't let that fool you. It's only 4K on the front viewing camera. The other two cameras are in 1080. Oh, nice little box, yeah. All wrapped up very nice. This is the main unit, which features the forward-facing camera and the inside camera. So, your interior. Remove before recording. No shit, Sherlock. So that's the forward-facing camera. On and off button. There's your mount, which you can slide it off once you've got it stuck on the windscreen. What else you got in the box? Cables. Screen protectors, trim gadgets. USB. The rear camera. Slap in the back window and a long cable. And this is the power lead. USB-C in the back there. I've actually used the USB that I had on the last dash cam. So here's the instructions. It's quite straightforward really. Scan the QR code to download the app. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Then once you got the app open, you then got to obviously connect it to your camera. Here's the camera. Power it up, got the power station here. Pull the label off, lovely jubbly. We've got the menu here, format the card, set a date and time. All the usual settings you'll get. We'll be switching that bleepy tappy thing off. And you can see on the actual thing you've got the 3 cameras on the screen so you can see what's happening. I did have a bit of a job trying to get it connected up to the camera, putting the password in that it said, and it took a while, but we got there in the end. The camera has actually got an automatic detection function, so if it detects that you've been in an accident, I'm assuming it must be some kind of a G meter in it, that it will automatically save that file. As you can see here, I'm having a bit of a job connecting the phone up to the camera. I got there in the end. Yeah, you've got all your settings for your camera and your Wi-Fi settings in there. Quite straightforward really. Nothing too drastic. So I've got the GPS data switched on, which you'll see why. So now we've got it fitted in the car. This is how you'll see it on the actual camera. So we've got the forward-facing camera, which is in 4K, and then the other two cameras are 1080p. And it seems pretty clear. Picks up audio on all 3 cameras, or it saves audio on all 3. I've just used the audio off of the main forward-facing camera at the moment, because otherwise it was sounded a bit weird. But you can see in the interior picture there, I've got the cable for the rear camera just hanging off the hand grab rail things, just temporary. Like this was a little trip I was having over to Mum and Dad's house, through the nice rolling hills of the Haute Vienne. It was quite a foggy day, and this was like the highest part, so it was sort of not so foggy up there, but as you can see, I get round the corner and drop down, it gets quite foggy. So that's what it'll look like. So you've got your GPS data. So now we're going to get it onto the computer, open up the app, select the files you want, and it's just a case of dragging and dropping into the program. So we've got the Lingdu player there, and I'll just switch it onto full screen now. So you see it brings up all the GPS data, so your speed, your heading, and it will show you on the map where you've been. And I'll just drag it across from fast forward so it goes a bit faster. And it is quite detailed, the information that it pulls out of the GPS data. If you like that sort of thing, it's a handy thing to have, isn't it? Let's select another file. Now when I seem to go back onto the interior camera, it doesn't seem to work. But then I go to the forward-facing camera and then go back to the interior camera, it does work. Well, I don't know why that is, but anyway, yeah, I did say it was a foggy day. And there we have it. Nice. This was quite clear here. But yeah, I'm quite chuffed with it so far. It's a lot of information on there. It's quite crystal clear. It's got an auto what do they call it? A preserving function, so that it will save that file and lock it. So because it records on a loop, it will lock that file. So if you are in an accident or you need to save that file for whatever reason, there's probably other ways that you can save it. You can change the maps on the screen there, like I just have done. I think I've just switched it to Open Maps or Apple. I can't remember what it is now, but you can have Google Maps and you can have Open Street Maps, I think it is. Just slightly different layout. Oh yeah, it's pretty good the way it shows you exactly where you've been on the map. So yeah, I just like watching the countryside go by. Speed it up, drag it across the map. See, it's getting a bit foggy here. It did get rather pea soupy when it was down in the bottom of the valley. Yeah, I've got to wire up the rear camera permanently, but the forward-facing camera's permanently on the windscreen now. So I used the wire that I hardwired into the car for the last dash cam. It was the same power and same socket, USB-C. I think along this road somewhere here we've got a straggler from the Tour de France. Blink and you'll miss him. Oh no, let's go back again. Here we go. Look, you want to get some high vis on, mate, or get some flashing lights on. It's a bloody pea super up there. Nearly knocked you off your bike. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. As you see, we're moving along the map nicely. Interior view. All 3 cameras got GPS data. Anyway, that's it for this video. All links will be in the description. We'll catch you in the next one. It'll be a bye for now.